How to use face trace in sequencer in Unreal Engine 5. And I play this animation. In here we have the face effect. Yeah, so let's start it. And welcome back. And first I will create a new sequencer. And the next thing, I will drag these characters into the sequencer. And I will add the animation. And I will change this character's position. And I will drag to here. Yeah, I think it's better now. And next I will drag this animations track. And now I think this character's animation is too fast, so I will change this play rate. And yeah, you can see this animation is slowly. And the next thing I make is longer. And next I will add the camera and move objects to camera and drag to the sequencer. I will drag the camera to a right place. And I will change this camera's lens setting and change this focus setting. And now I will make a keyframe. And I change this position and create another keyframe and change to linear. And maybe I need to make this slowly, so I need to drag this one. Yeah, I think it's better now. And next I will copy another camera. Ctrl D to copy another one. And we do the same thing. We need to find the right position and change this focus setting and make a keyframe. And we change this position and make a keyframe again. Maybe we need to change it again. Yeah, I think it's better now. And I will do it again. Ctrl D to copy another camera. And here I will find the right position. And maybe here is okay. And I will change this focus setting and make a keyframe. And make another keyframe. I will drag this track. And next I will add the cameras on the camera's cups. And just to here I will add the camera 2. And maybe here I will add the camera 3. And maybe adjust it to longer. And we play it. And yeah, we have this animation now. And the next I will add the face track. And here I will add the keyframe. And here I will change this value to 1. And another 0. And to here keyframe. To here 1. And here 0. And we play it again. Yeah, we have the face effect now. Also, you can change this keyframe to make the effects better. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.